What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I want to talk to you about offers accepted. Now what? If that's something you're wondering about, stick around. So the offer's accepted. Hooray! You've got your buyer. Let's get out. Whoa, let's not get out. Let's not do anything, okay? So that's what you do. You do nothing. You wait until your realtor tells you, okay, everything's signed off. Go ahead and pack up and get out. Home buyers in their process of buying a home, 30, 45 day escrow or whatever, they're gonna do a bunch of inspections and then, look over them all and then decide if they wanna buy the house still. And we don't wanna be moving all the furniture out and stuff like that until we know for sure that it's most likely gonna close. And that's gonna happen after they sign off on their loan contingency and release all their contingencies. And then if they back out at that point, it's gonna cost them money. And that's where we wanna be before we say, okay, get out. Like, let's pack up the house and roll on out of here. Because if something happens, and I'll tell you what, in a real estate transaction, it's a big deal. It's a lot of, stress on the buyers, and there's a lot of money at stake. And, you're dealing with maybe two people who may not see eye to eye on everything. And if there's something wrong in the relationship, it's going to blow up during that real estate transaction, and it's going to become an issue. My neighbor is building a house right next door to me. If you hear that, saws, hammers, I don't know. What are you gonna do? Anyhow, so that's it. We want to make sure that everything's all signed off, and then we can go ahead and move out. Because if they back out, then we want a house to look as good as it did the first time we sold it to that group of buyers as it does the second time we have to sell it, if we have to sell it a second time. It's unlikely, but it does happen. Houses fall out of escrow, and if that's the case, we want to make sure we, ideally don't lose too much marketing time, but more importantly, that the house looks amazing as it did the first time around. So that's it for this episode of me talking about home buyers and when to move out of the house or what you're supposed to do over the saws and the hammers. I'm a little distracted, gotta admit. All right, what are you gonna do? So we'll see you at your house.